Good day, kids! This is Teacher Genevieve B. Sabio. Welcome to our Math Talino class. We will be together for 20 minutes for our lesson today.
The Math Talino class.
So, how are you today? Are you ready for new learnings? Who among you finds data collection easy? Raise your hands. If not, don't worry because in this lesson, you will learn some possible reasons in gathering information, capturing evidences, and drawing inferences. Let us first recall our Module 5 lesson. Let's solve this problem. Elvira wants to fill a rectangular container with chocolate. What is the volume of the rectangular container if it is 70 centimeters long, 40 centimeters wide, and 10 centimeters tall? Now kids, ready for the questions? Question number 1. What is asked in the problem? If your answer is the volume of the rectangular container, your answer is correct. Second question. What are the given facts in the problem? If your answer is length equals 70 centimeters, width 40 centimeters, height 10 centimeters, your answer is right. Math is easy, right? I think you are now ready to collect data. Let's have first an activity. Let us now listen to our two friends, Matilde and Matilda.
The given data show the fourth quarterly test scores of 15 female learners in Filipino. 21, 18, 23, 25, 19, 26, 13, 18, 23, 22, 19, 16, 18, 27, 17. Arrange the test scores from greatest to least. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What is the highest score in the Filipino fourth quarterly test? Is it 27 or 28? If your answer is 27, you're right! Question number 2. What is the lowest score? Is it 14 or 13? If your answer is 13, amazing! That's correct! Question number 3. Are there repeated scores? Is it yes or no? If your answer is yes, correct! Question number 4. What scores are repeated? If your answers is 18, 19, and 23, your answer is excellent. Question number 5. What is the difference between the highest and the lowest scores? Is it 14 or 16? If your answer is 14, you're brilliant! Question number 6. What is the total score of 15 female students in the Filipino fourth quarterly test? Is it 305 or 308? If your answer is 305, that is excellent!
Here's another problem. Mrs. Deramas surveyed 30 pupils to know their favorite concepts in math. She let them choose among number sense, fractions, decimals, measurements, and equations. The students wrote their answer on pieces of papers and pasted them on the board. Here are the results of the survey. What data or information were collected in this survey? your answer is favorites concept in math, then you are correct. How many students were surveyed? Is it 28 or 30? If your answer is 30 pupils, then that is correct. What would be a good title for this survey? If your answer is favorites concept in math, then you are correct. Your answers are all excellent. What is the most favorite concept of Mrs. Derama's learners in mathematics? If your answer is number sense, you're right.
A survey is a way of collecting data by asking people either through questionnaires or interviews. An interview is a conversation between individuals to collect relevant information. Data should be properly recorded. We use tally marks and frequency charts to record the results of the survey. Here are the steps to record the data. Draw a table with 3 columns. Label the first column with the topic of your survey, the second column with tally marks and the third column with frequency. Place tally marks and count them. Write the total number of tally marks as the frequency for a category. From this table, we can say the following. 1. Mrs. Deramas was able to ask 30 pupils about their favorite concept in mathematics. 2. Number sense is the most favorite concept of her pupils. The least liked concept in mathematics of her pupils is equations. 3. Fractions and measurements have the same frequency. The same number of pupils chose fractions and measurement as their favorite concept in mathematics.
Now, my dear learners, let's see if you learned something from our lesson today. Here's the problem. Mark conducted a survey among his classmates to know how they get to school from home. Let's help Mark make a tally of the responses in the survey. Complete the frequency chart. Answer the questions that follow. Question number 1. How many of his classmates answered the survey? Did you answer 18? That's correct. Question number 2. What is the most common means of going to school from home? Is your answer walking? That's right. Question number 3. How many of his classmates go to school from home other than walking? I bet your answer is 11. If that's your answer, that's correct. So kids, to wrap up what you have learned today, answer this question. What are the steps in collecting and gathering data? What can you say, Mathilde?
Here are the steps to record the data. Number 1, draw a table with 3 columns. Number 2, label the first column with the topic of your survey. The second column with tally marks and the third column with frequency. Number 3, place tally marks and count them. Number 4, write the total number of tally marks as the frequency for a category.
So, that's it, Magdalena class. I hope